Hello friends, now I'll be reading a general dictation on the topic of deforestation at the speed of 80 words per minute in 5 seconds. Begin. Deforestation is the permanent removal of trees from a forested area for various reasons such as agricultural purposes, livestock grazing, urbanization, and logging. It is a global problem that has been increasing at an alarming rate over the years, leading to adverse effects on the environment, wildlife, and humans. Deforestation is a major contributor to climate change, accounting for around 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions. It also leads to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and disrupts the water cycle, which can cause droughts or floods in some areas. The loss of forests also has a significant impact on wildlife, as many species rely on forests for their habitat and food sources. Deforestation has been identified as one of the leading causes of species extinction, and in some regions it has caused irreparable damage to ecosystems. Furthermore, deforestation has significant social impacts on local communities, particularly indigenous people who rely on forests for their livelihoods and cultural practices. Deforestation can lead to the displacement of communities, loss of traditional knowledge, and even conflict over resources. Given the urgency and severity of the impacts of deforestation, there is a pressing need for action by governments, corporations, and individuals alike to address this issue and protect our planet's forests. Deforestation, the large-scale removal of trees from forests, has significant negative impacts on the environment. Trees plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of our natural ecosystem, and deforestation causes a ripple effect that disrupts the delicate balance of the environment. Deforestation contributes to climate change by releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which is responsible for trapping heat and warming the planet. Trees absorb carbon dioxide through the process of photosynthesis and store it in their wood, leaves, and roots. When trees are cut down or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere. Deforestation is responsible for around 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions, which contributes significantly to climate change. Deforestation also leads to soil erosion and degradation, making the land less fertile and less suitable for farming or other agricultural activities. This in turn leads to food insecurity and can cause economic and social problems in the affected areas. Deforestation also destroys habitats for wildlife, leading to a loss of biodiversity. Many species of plants and animals that depend on forests for survival are threatened with extinction due to habitat loss. Deforestation has a significant economic impact on both local and global levels. In the short term, clearing forests for agriculture and development may lead to increased economic activity and job creation. However, in the long term, the economic costs of deforestation far outweigh the benefits. Forests provide a range of ecosystem services such as carbon sequestration, water filtration, and soil conservation. Deforestation can disrupt these services, leading to soil degradation, water pollution, and reduced agricultural productivity. These impacts can be particularly devastating for communities that rely on forest resources for their livelihoods. Moreover, deforestation contributes to climate change, which has far reaching economic consequences. The impacts of climate change, such as sea level rise, more frequent and severe natural disasters, and crop failures, can have a significant economic impact on industries such as agriculture, fisheries, and tourism. On a global level, deforestation contributes to the loss of biodiversity, which can have significant economic consequences. Biodiversity loss can reduce the availability of medicines, limit the potential for agricultural innovation, and decrease the resilience of ecosystems to disturbances such as climate change. Deforestation can also lead to land degradation and soil erosion, making it difficult for farmers to grow crops and feed their families. It can also lead to water scarcity, as the roots of trees play a crucial role in maintaining the water cycle. Without trees, water sources dry up and communities can face water shortages. Furthermore, deforestation contributes to climate change, which in turn affects people's health and well being. Increased air pollution, heat waves, and natural disasters such as floods and landslides can occur due to climate change, causing an increase in respiratory illnesses and other health conditions. One of the primary causes of deforestation is agricultural expansion. As the global population continues to grow, the demand for food has increased, and this has led to an increase in agricultural activities. Farmers often resort to cutting down forests to create space for their farms, and this has resulted in the loss of millions of hectares of forest every year. Another significant cause of deforestation is logging. The demand for timber and wood products is high, and this has led to the widespread practice of illegal logging in many countries. Trees are cut down indiscriminately, and this has resulted in the loss of habitats for animals and birds, as well as the loss of biodiversity. Mining is also a significant cause of deforestation. Stop. Please join the Telegram group in the comment section for the PDF. Thank you.